there! Do you ever feel like your English sentences are just a little bit plain? You know, like something's missing? Well, today we're going to unlock a super simple secret to make your descriptions way more colorful and clear. You ready? Let's jump in.
Okay, so take a look at this sentence. The boys ran. I mean, it's correct. It tells us what happened, but it doesn't really paint much of a picture in your mind, does it? It just feels like it's missing the detail, the feeling.
Exactly. This gets us to the really big question. How did they run? Were they racing? Were they tired and just kind of jogging along? To answer this, we need a special kind of word, one that adds all that fun detail and really brings the action to life. And that special word is called an adverb of manner. Now, don't let the name scare you. It's actually really simple. An adverb of manner just tells us how an action is done. That's it. Just think of them as your how words. They're what make your sentences so much more descriptive.
Let's look at the difference this really makes. A simple sentence like the boys ran becomes the boys ran quickly, and instantly you get it. They were in a hurry. She sings turns into she sings beautifully. You can almost hear her amazing voice, right? These little adverbs add the whole missing part of the story. So, how do we actually make these super useful words? Well, most of the time, it's like a simple magic formula. Seriously. Step 1, you start with a describing word, an adjective, like quick. Step 2, you just add "ly" to the end. And boom. Step 3, just like that, you have quickly your brand new how word. Let's see this in action. Here's a classic example. We start with the adjective slow, we add our magic ly, and we get the tortoise walked slowly. This sentence paints a way clearer picture than just saying the tortoise walked, doesn't it? And how about this one? He quickly finished his homework. We know how he finished it. Not just that he got it done, but that he did it with speed. He finished it quickly. See how that one word just changes the whole feeling? Adverbs are also incredibly useful for things like giving instructions or warnings. Saying, "Please walk carefully," tells someone exactly how to move so they can stay safe. It just goes to show how essential these words are for really clear communication. Now, you know English, every rule has an exception. And a really common one is the difference between good and well. This trips a lot of people up. So good is an adjective, which means it describes a thing or a person, like a good student. But well is our adverb, our how word. It describes an action. So you don't study good, you study well. Getting this one right will make a huge difference in how natural you sound. And there are a few other special words that don't follow that ly rule. Words like fast, hard, and late. They work as both adjectives and adverbs. So you drive fast, not fastly, and you work hard, not hardly. These are just a couple of special cases you just have to remember. So let's sum it all up. What's the most important thing to take away from all this? For most of these adverbs, that simple formula is all you're going to need. Take an adjective, add ly, and you are ready to describe actions with so much more detail. All right, now let's make it personal. It's your turn. How do you do things in your daily life? For instance, do you read quickly or do you read slowly? Think about it. You're already using these adverbs to describe your own actions. See? And always remember, with just a little bit of practice, you can learn to speak English well. So keep using these words, make your sentences more interesting, and you'll be communicating more clearly